Welcome to On The Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. I'm joined by Amanda Fondren from Omnis Health Clinic. Today we're talking all about strep throat and the issues that come along with that. Welcome to the show, my friend. Nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
Speak to everyone at home and explain to them what strep throat is.
Well, strep throat is a bacterial infection of the mucosa of the throat.
How does one get it? Because it's highly contagious.
It's very contagious. They usually pick it up from somebody else that has it by drinking after them or eating after them or kissing them or just getting the bacteria in their mouth or nose from picking it up where it's been deposited by somebody sneezing or something.
Oh my goodness. See, I thought it was just in kids that got it. And I want to tell you a personal story on it. I got it. And it was not last year, the year before. I thought I had COVID.
Oh.
And I was weak. I was not well at all. I ended up getting into what I thought was a COVID clinic, thinking that's what I had. And it was a severe strep throat. And all I thought about was I haven't been around children because I thought it was from kids. It was very severe. Is it something, I ended up in hospital, to be honest with you. You know, I told you that off camera. And I want to understand, is it just antibiotics that is going to fix it? Is there anything that we can do not to get it again?
Yes, there is.
Stop kissing people.
Well, you definitely don't want to eat or drink after anyone you don't want to eat or drink after anybody anyway. But you change your toothbrush, you sanitize and heat sanitize or sterilize cups that you drink out of frequently, or and you want to change your toothbrush a couple days into the antibiotics and at the end of the antibiotics again. Those things can help not reintroduce strep back into your system. Explain
to everyone at home, you know I always like to ask this question, what are some of the symptoms? You did tell us some, but those feelings. So is it runny noses? Is it coughing? Is it a swollen throat? Can't breathe properly?
Well, first, a sore throat is usually one of the hallmark symptoms, but not always. Sometimes a rash can be the only symptom that someone has.
Really?
I've seen that in patients where the only symptom they have of strep is a rash. That you can develop all the symptoms of an upper respiratory infection, runny nose, cough, things like that.
And it's a highly contagious.
Very.
Is it something that we would get back once we've had it?
You can get it again.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like they say with shingles, as an example, it's in your bloodstream and you will get it back after you've already been treated the first time.
It's not like shingles. It's not a virus, so it doesn't stay in your system.
Oh, interesting.
Once it's killed from your system with the antibiotics, you can contract it again by getting that bacteria back in your system.
I really like the fact that you just told us, which I wasn't told by the doctors, everyone, and I ended up in hospital for 4 days. And I ended up having blood transfusions. It was that bad.
Oh, wow.
And I was not told to change my toothbrush or squirt things around home, you know, those sprays. I was not told any of that. So it's super important to make sure you sterilize everything at home.
It is.
Coming in contact for people with kids and they're going to preschool and kindergarten where all the kids are touching each other and having fun, making sure they're washing their hands and things like that when they come back from school, right?
Right.
There's not a it's mainly prescriptions that fix this. There's not natural remedies.
And it's very important to fix it because it can get worse like it was for you.
I didn't know and I was so scared.
I bet.
I'll be honest with you, I collapsed because it created internal bleeding when I had the issues afterwards. It was the most frightening thing I've ever had. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
If you want to find out more information there, it all is up on the screen, everyone. Strep throat, something we don't talk about very often. Been chatting away with Amanda from Omnis Health Clinic. Back after this short break.